Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer content strategy from Answer the Public to Google Sheets easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to AnswerThePublic.com. Once the page loads, enter your keyword or topic of interest in the search bar. Click on the search icon to generate content insights. Review the visualizations and data provided by Answer the Public. Identify the key questions and phrases relevant to your topic. Scroll down to the data section on the page. Click on the download button to save the insights as a CSV file. Open Google Sheets in a new tab. Create a new spreadsheet by selecting the blank option. Once you have a blank spreadsheet open, locate the File menu. In the File menu, select Import. Then click on Upload to find and select the CSV file you downloaded. After the file uploads, choose Replace Spreadsheet for implementation. Click Import Data to finalize the upload. Your content insights will now populate in the Google Sheet. Organize the information as needed by adjusting column widths and formatting. Use filters to sort through the data based on questions or phrases. Consider adding additional columns for your own notes or content ideas. Save your Google Sheet to ensure all changes are captured. Review the information regularly to update your content strategy. You now have a structured way to transfer insights from Answer the Public to Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.